Namaste, dear children. June 21st, we are celebrating International Yoga Day. Across the globe, so many people are practicing yoga on the same day. So let us also practice yoga. With this video, you can practice yoga at your home. I am thanking Navajivan Bethany School for giving me this opportunity to demonstrate few yoga stretches for our dear children. Dear children, please do practice along with me. Yoga can make your body stronger, your mind becomes sharper, you can focus more on your studies. Also, you can improve your immunity. So to stay healthy and happy, practice yoga. Let us move on to the video.
Sit in a cross-legged position like this. This is called Padmasana or lotus pose. If possible, bring the other foot also up. Only if possible. If not, you can keep one foot up and sit. Now keep your hands in Chin Mudra like this. Like we say, super. And keep your hands on top of your knees. Keeping your spine straight. Eyes are closed. We are going to do a simple meditation. Focus on your breathing. Just observe your breathing. Try to take long, deep breathing. Inhaling deeply and exhaling very slow breathing. Enjoy your slow breathing. Try to keep your body still like a rock. Slow, deep breathing. Feel the calmness. Now very slowly take your arms behind. Bring your forehead to the floor. Gently come up. Bring your palms together. Rub your palms nicely. Create good warmth in your hands and spread it over your closed eyes. Open your eyes looking at your own palms. This is how we begin the yoga session with the meditation. Now release your legs, straighten your legs, gently move your legs. Next we will do diamond pose. Fold your legs like this, diamond pose or Vajrasana. Okay, let us do a simple pranayama now. It is called bottle breathing or sectional breathing. For that, you need to keep your palms on both sides of your abdomen, keeping your eyes closed. Feel how the abdomen is moving in and out as you breathe in and out. When you are breathing in, feel your abdomen expanding like a balloon. While breathing out, it goes towards the spine. Slow, deep breathing. Inhaling, bulging your abdomen, exhaling, bringing it down. Now keep your hands on your ribs on both sides of the chest. How the chest is moving out and coming in. Just observe deep breathing. Inhaling, expand your chest. Exhaling, bringing it down. Slow, deep breathing. Next, we'll do the shoulder breathing. Keep your palms on your shoulder. Breathe in, raising your shoulders. Breathe out, bringing it down. Slowly inhaling and exhaling. Enjoy the slow breathing. This makes you feel calmer, happier, relaxed. Feel the relaxation. Now, keep your hands in Chin Mudra. Now we are going to combine these three breathings together. First we did abdominal breathing, then the chest breathing, then the shoulder breathing. Okay, so imagine when you are breathing in, first you are breathing to the abdomen, then the breath comes to your chest, then you are breathing to your shoulders. And while breathing out, empty your shoulders, then your chest you are emptying, then the bottom you are emptying. Like you fill water in a bottle, you are going to fill air. Keeping your eyes closed, Take a deep inhalation, filling your abdomen, then to the chest, then to the shoulders. While breathing out, empty your shoulders, then your chest, then your abdomen. Like we fill water in a bottle, first the bottom gets filled, then the middle, then the top. The same way you're breathing in and filling air into your body. Slowly open your eyes. Now stretch your legs. Next we will do another pranayama called Bhramari pranayama or humming bee breathing. Sit in a cross-leg position. For that you need to close your ears with both index fingers. And close your eyes. You're going to breathe in through the nose, and while breathing out you make a humming sound. Okay, breathe in and breathe in. The same way, continue few rounds. It makes you feel so relaxed. It improves your focus. Enjoy this pranayama, humming bee breathing or Bhramari pranayama. Let us begin. Sun salutation, Surya Namaskar, hands in prayer position. Breathing in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathing out, come all the way down. Let your palms touch the floor. Now let's take the right leg behind, keep the right knee down and stretch. Tuck the right toes in, lift the knee up, take your left leg back. You are in plank position. Then coming all the way down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Head up, chest up, Bhujangasana. Lift your hip up, Parvatasana or mountain pose. Breathing in, bring your right foot in between your palms. Breathing out, bring your left foot in between your palms. Breathing in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathing out, hands come back. Let's do the left side. Hands in prayer position. Breathe in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathe out, go deep down. Breathing in, take your left leg back, left knee down and give a stretch. Breathing out, take your other leg back. You are in plank, body straight line. Then coming all the way down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Breathing in, head up, chest up, Bhujangasana. Breathing out, lift your hip up, Parvatasana. Breathing in, bring your left foot forward. Breathing out, other foot forward. Breathing in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathing out, come back. Let us do one more round, hands in prayer position. Breathing in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathing out, coming all the way forward, palms coming to the floor. Breathing in, take your right leg back, right knee down and give a stretch. Then tuck the toe in, lift that knee up, taking your other leg back. You are in plank, body straight line. Then coming all the way down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Head up, chest up, Bhujangasana. Lift your hip up, Parvatasana. Breathing in, bring your right foot in between your palms. Stretch. Breathing out, bring your other leg forward. Breathing in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathing out, come back. We'll do the left side now. Hands in prayer position. Breathe in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, take your left leg back, left knee down, stretch. Tuck that toe in, lift the knee up, taking your other leg back. You are in plank position. Then coming all the way down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Raising your head up, chest up, Bhujangasana. Lifting your hip up, Parvatasana. Breathing in, bring your left foot forward. Breathing out, bring your right leg forward. Breathe in, raise your arms up, arch back. Breathe out, come back. we shall do tree pose or vrikshasana. You are standing tall. Then raise one leg up. Any one leg you have to raise up. Keep that foot over the opposite thigh. Try to focus at a point. Keep your hands in prayer position at your heart center. Then if you are getting the balance, slowly raise your arms over your head and try to stay focused. Tree pose. You are standing like a tall tree. Very slowly bring your arms down, bring your leg down. We'll do the other side. Lift the other leg, keep that foot over the opposite thigh. Hands in prayer position. If you're getting balance, slowly raise your arms up. Try to look at one point so that you'll get more balance. This is an excellent pose to improve your focus and concentration. Come down. Let's do another one, interesting one, super brain yoga. For that, you need to cross your arms, pull your ears with both hands, and inhale and sit down. Exhaling, come up. Inhale, sit down. Exhale, come up. Repeat it 15 times. You need to do this. This is called super brain yoga. This helps to improve your memory, alertness, and blood circulation throughout your body. This also strengthens your legs, improves your muscle strength. Try to practice this daily. Relax. Sit down, keeping your legs straight. Then fold one leg back. Then the other leg back. You are sitting over your heels. This is called diamond pose or Vajrasana. Stretch your arms forward and try to bring your forehead to the floor. If you want, you can keep your knees slightly wider and relax in this pose. This pose helps to reduce your anger. Stay there and relax. After resting for some time in Shashangasana, very gently come up. You are sitting in diamond pose. Next, let's do lion roaring pose, where you are going to roar like a lion. Open your knees wide and bring your palms together as if you are reading a book. Then slowly keep it down, fingers pointing your body, pressing your palms down. Now get ready. Close your eyes, close your mouth, breathe in, open your eyes, open your mouth, put your tongue out. Ha! Close your mouth, close your eyes. Let's do once more. Take a nice breathe in, open your eyes, open your mouth. Ha! Close your eyes, close your mouth. Once more. Breathe in, open your eyes, open your mouth. Ha! Close your eyes, close your mouth. Relax, relax, relax. From diamond pose, lie on your abdomen, keeping your arms straight in front of you. We are going to do the next pose. Raise your head up, arms up, legs up. This is called Superman pose. Go down. Breathing in slowly. You are raising your head up, arms up, legs up. Very good. Slowly head down, legs down. Once more. Breathe in, arms up, legs up, head up. Breathe out, go down and relax. This stretches your entire body. This is called Superman pose. Now press your palms to the floor, come up and rest in Shashangasana or child pose. Relax. Now you can lie down, keeping your legs apart, arms apart. Relax your whole body. We have done nice stretches throughout the body. Now it's time to relax. You can lie down and relax for 5 minutes. Relaxing your whole body. Relaxing your legs, arms, torso, relax your face. You're relaxing your whole body. Relax, relax, relax. Thank you, dear children. Do practice these yoga poses daily. Thank you so much. Bye bye.